Hey guys, Jace from the Glitter Guy here, and I have another Quack Pack tutorial for you. Specifically, this is the December 2023 tutorial, so if you've stumbled across this and you have not purchased that box, stop what you're doing, go buy the box, and then come meet me back here. What we're gonna do is go over everything inside the box, and I'm telling you that now because you really don't even need to wait to see what's inside to want this. It is that good. I'm telling you, go get it. Don't forget, guys, also like, subscribe, hit all the buttons below. Do unboxings for each of the Quack Packs bi-monthly and different tutorials and everything like that. Without further ado, let us get if you have not received the box before, it's all branded in the theme for the past year, which was more like the Wonka kind of like glitter factory theme. So the first thing you should have is an insert card that explains what is inside, has a QR code that links you to a description again of what is inside, and then also has links to the tutorial. There's an SVG download. Sometimes we include different discount codes and such as well. You see on the back of this card, it says collect and win $1,000. And what you'll get is $1,000 in TGG store credit if you end up spelling the word Quack Pack with the tiny cardboard letters. When we get inside, you'll see an example of one. This thing is jam-packed, as per usual, actually. 2 white cast decals. These aren't specific for the craft itself this time, but they make sense with the theme of the box. It was a winter theme box. The love decal looks a lot like the Philly love sign, except, you know, with a snowman, and then the hot cocoa and fuzzy socks decal. 2 4-inch vinyl square examples, I guess you want to call it that, but I make sure that they're large enough to fit the acrylic blank that's included in every box. There's a different acrylic blank keychain. This time, when we get to it, it's a snowman. These 2 patterns aren't necessarily available on the website, but if you guys purchase this, or even if you end up watching this and you see that and you're like, wow, that's a really cool pattern, wish I could just buy that, let us know, you know, put it in the comments, send a message, email, whatever. There should also be a cut of tacky tape. So I say a cut because it's specific for the craft in the box this time. This isn't a size that I saw on the site. This is actually less than 1/3 of 1 sheet, but it is enough to do the whole tumbler craft that's involved in this. If you guys are doing your math right, you get a pack of tacky tape. If you wanted to do a bunch of crafts similar to this one in the future on your own, you'd be able to do 30 of them with 1 pack of tacky tape. 30. The craft in this box is a tumbler craft like I mentioned, so what I did was I actually made it so that you can make this craft a few different ways. So I included the tacky tape, which, like I said earlier, there's an SVG download when you scan the link, and that brings you right to the site, and you can get that. You don't have to pay extra or nothing, download it right from there, and that is an SVG of a nutcracker that I designed myself. We also have vinyl print of a more traditional looking nutcracker. You might be like, what's your definition of a traditional nutcracker? This guy. And then the other option, the last one, I threw this one in there for fun. Nutcracker D is the Big D version that we included in the box this time. If you guys are unfamiliar, maybe this is your first box, Big D's the mascot of the company. He's all over the place. His new artwork generally comes out with subscription boxes. We have an excellent artist, Colin Shawcross, that does all of the Big D art for us. I thought it would be kind of funny and fun if I included a Big D Nutcracker version. You should also get a large 28-gram jar of metallic mica powder. Most will be blue. When I get through all the blues, I'll switch to another shade of blue. And then I was gonna put some yellows. Maybe you didn't get magic blue like I'm showing you here, but perhaps you got rainbow blue or magic yellow. Either way, I wanted to include a mica powder that can be used specifically for the craft in this box. Also, you should get a 7-piece brush set, and this brush set is specific for more mica style crafts. I like all the different sizes and everything, so you can do all different details. The little bag of treats, let's get that open. In here, you will find Nutcracker D magnet, Nutcracker D sticker, the NFT tag for the keychain clasp, the actual keychain himself, the acrylic blank snowman. They said he is sized so that you can get a good cut out of either one of those sample squares for him. And if you actually wanted the same square on him on both sides, there's enough space for you to actually do it twice. A silicone big stick stir stick, miscellaneous colors in the box. Here's an example of one of the cardboard coins. These are very small and easy to lose. I did not do that purposely. Honestly, I thought they were gonna be bigger when I had these made. Make sure you're holding on to these things and spell out Quack Pack. You'll get a fine payday for craft supplies, that's for sure. Keeping with the swag stuff, we have the VIP card and lanyard. This QR code goes to the same place that this insert card goes to on the site. So if you end up losing the insert card or whatever, hopefully you don't lose the actual VIP card because it's a little more solid. I custom design all these every single time. So the lanyard's custom designed to go with the theme of the box. You will also get a 14-ounce straight tumbler with straw. Is plastic. Don't tell the people in New Jersey if they're gonna come after me. The tumbler, this is what you're gonna be doing for the craft itself. With the tumbler, now I figure I can show you this part. This is the extra, this is the very important piece for the craft. So the actual craft itself is an Oreo dunking tumbler, but it has a cookie caddy that's detachable. That is this piece. This was courtesy of Will and Ashley at the Craft Crate. There's a QR on the insert card to go to their site. They have a lot of awesome, unique tools and sleeves and attachments. Will is a wizard on the 3D printer with the design stuff. I can't thank him enough for taking the idea that I had up in my brain and actually making it come to real life. Last but not least, we have the glitter, right? There's always the glitter. I'll start with the ones we wanted to include some larger shakers. This time, I think going forward, it'll probably stay in larger shakers. I wanted to keep the colors at least within the realm of the winter theme of the box. So I was thinking like whites and silvers and blues. So a shaker of Mirror Mirror, Uncut Gem, another awesome, beautiful, chunky mix glitter. Daphne is one of the shattered cut glitters, which are like so cool looking. Lastly, the new glitter and the fusion glitter for this one is called Kringle. And this one is a medium mix that is mostly like whitish and silveryish, but it has hints of green and red in it as well. It's very festive. So that's everything that comes in the box. Definitely, if you guys receive the box and you're curious on the craft and need help, walk through whatever, definitely watch the tutorial for the craft. I'll make sure that there's like links to that as well from this video. I feel you should be pretty pleased because I'm pretty pleased with everything that I was able to jam pack in this. It was literally bursting at the seams. February is the next Quack Pack. If you guys were interested in this one, if you watched previous ones, wow, these are really cool, I should get on that bandwagon, then yeah, do so. So thanks guys, and yeah, like, subscribe, hit all the buttons, and see you next time.